Hi, I'm Sylvia Critcher and I'm going to show you this particular technique, and I've called it Seeing Stars. It looks quite complicated. This is a table runner which is superb for Christmas, and this is one that's been made with some lovely silvery glittery fabrics. And here's another version of the same technique, but with a different colourway. It will look totally different. Behind me, the quilt is again the same technique, but now put into a quilt situation. This is using a lot of mixed fabrics. The only things that are holding this together are the background materials, which here are the yellow, pale yellow ones, but it's basically a scrap quilt, and all the odds and ends that are left over have been put into the borders.